So this is about as easy as it gets. This is the toggle override kit for the Kaizen Relay and can be used with any relay or switch. It's just a switch to ground. So it comes labeled. One side goes to ground, comes with a 1/4 inch ground loop. The other side just goes to the low side trigger. So this is just allows you to force on a Kaizen Relay with this armed rocker switch. So you just take this end, already comes stripped, insert it into the low side trigger port. Nice thing here again, no tools. Depress, insert that. Now this relay, which is operated from CAN over this CAN bus with this 4-position keypad, can also be triggered with this ground switch. Easy.